Hello everyone. Hello. How you all doing? Great. Um, 6 p.m. already. When I scheduled the webinar, I was not thinking about that. It's Memorial Day today, and people plan barbecue and stuff today, not webinars. But since I did it already, so I said, okay, let me do it. But I'm not gonna take much time. All right, maybe 30, 40 minutes. What time is it now? 6:01. Okay. So let's get started quickly. Um, a few major things is going to happen today. Is obviously, everything was closed, no volume whatsoever, and we didn't do anything, hanging in there, right? So let's hope that tomorrow. Anyway, we are entering into a very, very slow and very low volatility period. The summer is very slow and very tricky, and in a sense, it's dangerous as well. So no volume, you're not going to see big moves. So, it's mostly ranging, and, if there's move, then it's going to be, shallow unless some big events comes in. But anyway, whatever, we will follow the price. This is a pound Aussie chart. That's the best one we have, right? Since the last week, and it's still valid. It's still going on track. This was the first one that I sent, and just want to show you what's happening. Is we are right here now, and hopefully continue. The first target is always point B, then probably they'll pull back, and then it'll go towards the second trade we take at the break of point B, and then we get to D point, and then if we start dropping, then that would be the third trade. If you know the diagram, you all have it, right? Bad pattern with 3 trades. So this is what it is. But for now, we're going to concentrate on, let's say, USDX. Let me cover the yen index first, which I already said last week, right? The 21st. This was the chart that I sent out, that we are going to make this a pattern. Remember, I try to catch point C most of the time because we have a long distance to go. Once we get to the D point, if we're going to get the reaction or not, who knows? Once we get there, then we'll see. But in the meantime, we try to get what we can get. From C to D, I think it's the most lucrative way to trade these patterns before completion. Okay, everybody else out there teaches you or to talk about that, you should not trade these patterns before they're complete. But, that's my take. This is what I learned. This is working perfectly fine. Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie is all, in front of you. And on so many previous charts, you see. So now this is the same situation we are at point C on a yen index, and we're supposed to go up, and it is going a little bit. Let me see if I have the yeah, see, it starts, I was thinking that it's probably going to bounce 38% is right in between these two levels, 58.56 and 58.40, big levels. Let me see if I can show you where these levels come from, just in case if you forgot. 58.40 is right here. 56, you're gonna see 58.40 is this, 58.56 is this low. Okay, so we are right in the middle and bouncing. So if you get out from this, and the major trend right now is to the upside, right? So we are crossing this 68.6 level. We'll sort of like disregarding. So next level would be either this one, 70.7 or 78.6. So hopefully we continue going up, then our chart will be intact, right? So if we go up this way, then I have not seen other charts, but Euro Yen I sent out already. Similar chart, just like the Yen index, exactly. The only difference is Yen index is bouncing, the C point bouncing from 38%. And if you can notice that this Euro Yen is bouncing from 23.6%. Perfect, because pair moves a little more than the index. So the index came to 38%, but pair dropped a little bit further to 28.6%, all the pairs. Okay, it's like 100 pip move on in the index, then it's like 150 pip in pairs. Yeah, well, I am actually not doing very good. I have a very bad pain in my back. I got something done on my back. Tell you later what, but it's just out of fun, but it's not fun anymore. You know, I have like several cuts on my back, and it's you know, it's painful. But anyway, you know, you need to try different things in life, right? So sometimes I'll explain you guys later what it is. But yeah, it's you know, my back is very stiff and you know, painful right now. Yeah, it will heal. It will heal itself. Okay, all right. So this is Euro Yen index. I mean Euro Yen chart. It's very similar to the index I was talking about, and very good setting in both charts, and they are showing the sign already to starting to go up. Today, unfortunately, we don't have any volume, so not showing up much, but they're not going to do any. But in Asia, they might move. Okay, might. So I think the similar action would be in other yen pairs, which I didn't get a chance to see and make the charts properly. But this is enough. I'm telling you, this is you know, if it moves Euro Yen, it will give you, you know, very decent pairs. And we have some other pairs, so we are covered for the week. I'll see if I can get some more. So this is one of them, very nice. And let's go take a look at USDX. Okay, so this one, you have a nice setup, nice trade coming in. Keep in mind, I'll send out the chart, and then I already did that, right? So you just make sure that, you know, above 38.78, find an entry, take it. All right. Now let's go and take a look at USDX. That's something cooking there. Okay, this is the chart for USDX. And what I see is that when I draw the fib here, we are exactly touching a 38.2%. I don't see any other number or anything else creating a resistance there. So this number probably is the one, 38.2%. What happened is that it could be wave 1 or A. Actually, I just put A here, which is wrong. It should be 1 or A. Okay, and I think that here the way the drop is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A, then B is not exactly the way it should be, but then you see C also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's like a zigzag correction, A, B, C, except for the fact that the B is very fast and it's just like an X wave actually, not B, but in this case, you know, it's B. So sometimes this, you know, market doesn't give you very clear clue, but it is a correction for, you know, it should be like 535, but I don't see 3 here. I just see 1 big. So anyway, if that's the case, then you start having like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the, you know, the other side, unless we continue some kind of complex correction. Again, A, B, C, and then A, B, C, you know, the triangle, something like that. So whatever it is, we will find out what it is now. But for now, you can see clearly that it is going to make a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern, if that's the one. If it drops from here below 7303. 7303 number is, you saw it in the past week, very important number. So if you drop below this number and continue, you know, you see a sign that is continue dropping, then we are coming back to 72 to make this head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, and this side of it, the right hand side of this pattern would be wave 1 and 2 followed by 3, 4, 5. Or could be AB as well, the A, B, and C to this trend line. Okay, so it's a lot of possibility what will happen, but for now I see is that it is, if it holds here, start dropping below 73, we're coming down here. Okay, so we need to watch that, and it looks pretty much that this is what's going to happen, because if it drops here, then USD will be getting weaker. So in that case, we need something bullish on USD pairs, right? So that would kind of sort of confirming, if we find some bullish patterns on USD pair, that USDX will be getting weaker. So let's see, one by one we look at the USD pairs if we have some bullish sign or the bullish setup. So let's go take a look at Euro USD first. Okay, Euro USD, the way I see it exactly, I sent out the chart last week from here, from this area, which was 37.10, I guess, that will probably go up for wave 2 or B and then drop. But it didn't go up, it's continued dropping, and then now we are here at this level. Okay, and if we hold here and start going up, because if let's say USD is going to drop from there, then obviously USD is going to get weaker and we will see an up move. And Euro index, you know that it is probably getting stronger. We have that index and the chart already out there with you. So in that case, Euro USD will need to go up. So if that thing USDX will come down to make that head and shoulder like a wave 2, we will be making a wave 2 here, which is a perfect setup back to 38.36 before the USDX will start going up, and then this thing will start dropping here. If you see the numbers, the fib I draw from here to here, right? 127 extension is coming right here. 33.44. We have a big number on our sheet, 33.33. And you see this fib expansion tool here. If I place this, and let's say this is the base we make in here, and if you go up here around 38, 36, or this 23.6% line, for example, if this goes up there, the extension of 127 is coming exactly over the, this 127 butterfly pattern extension. So it's very perfectly calculated if we get there. And this is our line too. This is a big number, 38, 36, and 26.2% line, which is a perfect calculation. So far, I don't see any other perfect calculation than this. Okay, so this would be like a butterfly. This has not touched this 78.6% to be exact, but it crossed 61.8%. So even sometimes if it breaks, it may come down here, 78.6%. Who knows, before going up. So this whole move up here, we have 78% pullback. Then it goes up back up again, 23%, and then it can drop to this area, creating wave 1, 2, and 3 to the downside. So let's see, this is one of them. We need to go above 36.42 and hold. But remember this, if we start going up on this Euro USD, let's see what's happening here. And if we can take a look at this. You see, now we are clearly above this blue line, which is the swing changer line, I always tell you. So we are, if we stay above and then we find a long setup tonight after Frankie and in London, don't even bother doing anything today. It's dangerous. But when it comes to Frankie and London, we stay above this blue line and continue going up. Take the long, and you know where to go. 38.36 would be the target. If we don't turn before that, that would be the target. Just keep going with the price. So Euro USD showing the sign. We have a bullish, it's a straight line drop, and nothing goes in a straight line. So we need a correction for this move down. Right. So after a break, like weekend, and then today is also volume, then usually we start retracing. So even if we go back, let's see what would be the retracement wise. This would be exactly around 61%, right? 23% line is coming at 61% of the retracement. See, the 23% line of this wave is exactly where 68% of this retracement need to be. Okay, so if we go back there, there's a very good chance that we will be coming back here. Okay, so that will be fulfilling this 61.8% retracement, and then 23% line of a bad pattern. I mean, the butterfly, our favorite line, and then we take it from there. Once we get there, we'll see if it's coming down or not. But all the calculations are perfectly pointing towards pulling back to this area. Oh, yeah, Patrick, yeah. This is the big number. Very, very big, huge number. 33 is right here. This is the one on a weekly chart. So, and you can see this rising TL probably gonna break. I don't know. Let's see how it's gonna. If we come down to 33, then we will be breaking to this TL to the downside, and then we'll see what happens. First, we're gonna have to. If we are coming down after pulling back, if we start coming down, then we'll see if we can, hold this tier and then continue going up. Maybe not. So, but for now, what it looks like, we have to see that and then follow that, right? And once we get to a point, then we reevaluate, then what really happening. So right now we have a nice drop. We're gonna go back here, 61% pullback, 23% line of this fib, and we have 2 or B, and then if we stop there and then start dropping back again, if 38.36 hold, we will be definitely coming down here. It will be 127% of this fib. If you do that, this is 127. It is overlapping of 127 of this. So this is your USD. Let's see on what's happening on a pound. This is confirming of dropping the euro index. USD index. Okay, which we just saw that it might be coming down here to make an inverted head and shoulder. So from here to here is 100 pips. 100 pips move easily will give you 150, 120, 40, 50, 60 pips in pairs, Euro USD, pound USD. Then it will reverse from there. Okay, so this is it. Now let's go back and take a look at pound USD. What is happening there? Okay, pound USD, if I have the chart open, this is the chart I sent out last time, remember? That we will probably go straight up to 70.38, or we will go up here, 68.74, then pull back to the TL, and then shoot to the upside. So this is the second scenario is in the making right now. It's cooking right now. If you see here, we went up there just above 68.74. Then we start pulling back, and we came down, not the TL, but we are getting respected this 68.22 line. 68.22 is holding, and we are going back up. So now our index, USD index, showing the downside, which is USD getting weaker, then the pound USD will be going up again. So 68.22 is going to hold. Above that, you see a long setup tonight, take it. Target would be, at least this high. First this high, the second one this one, and then finally it's the 70.38 if we can get it. Then it makes sort of making like a Gertley type of pattern too, if you pay attention. Let me see. You see this here? It's like XA B, and then we have C here at 38% line, right? And if that's the case, the butterfly pattern would be finishing at 127, which is 7062, 127 area. Okay, so the pattern should be harmonic pattern. Butterfly should be finishing 7062. So if you look at here, we're talking about 7038. Is that big number, which is this one, 7038, way back, right? So we yet to touch it. We are very close. So I don't think that we're going down without touching it. Even if we need to go down, we have to tag it first, and then we go down. Well, it may not, who knows, but this is what I think. And it looks like if the USDS drop a little bit, we're going to pop and then go and touch it. And after that, breaking this would be a very huge thing. Okay, so if we break that, believe me, we're going to fly like a rocket. But it's not going to be easy to break that. This is the highest point in all the since what? This is 209. Okay, so you're talking about 4-year, 5-year high. You are very close to that. So far, all Euro USD, Pound USD, showing some sign of going up from the Pound USD bouncing from 68.22 support level after pulling back, and Euro USD after dropping big and need to do the correction for a second wave 2 or B. In both scenarios, these two pair are ready to go up. That these are confirming our USDX coming down for wave 2 or B. We just saw. But let's take a look at another pair, Aussie USD. So these are the setups as well. Okay, so pay attention when you get on pound. Let me finish this one by saying that 68.22 is the area. Above that, you see a long setup. Take it. Going to the upside. Continue. Okay, but keep your attention to index. Index need to stay below 38% line. Okay, we need to drop below 73.03 level there. 73. So if it start dropping, if you come down below 73 and continue to the downside, just take these setups on Euro USD, Pound USD blindly to go up. What other thing was? Aussie is also a very good cooking here. It's been making me switch back and forth several times already. All right, so this first I had is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Then I said no, it's ABC, and then 1, 2, 3 on the downside. But then it got to stop here again. So it looks like what it looks like is this. Just remember this picture. You all have it. This diagram of this Elliott wave count. This is wave 1, 2. Then you go 3, big one, and then you have ABC correction for 4 and then 5. Right? If you have it, then you can pull it, print it, keep it next to you. If you look at this, where is Aussie chart? Okay, I didn't open that, so let me open it just now. What happened there, man? Aussie USD. No, that's not that. Probably this one. Okay, remember this chart? I had it like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then straight going up for the wave 5 to 95.36. But instead of going straight, sometimes it goes straight, sometimes it makes a nasty triangle, 5 waves, sometimes a flat. So until it's finished, you really don't know what's gonna be cooking. What I'm saying. So this is how this market is. That's why a lot of people, go nuts and lose money because it can do anything in the wave 4. Wave 4 is the nasty one. So instead of going straight to the wave 5, what it did, it made this flat correction here. So it's perfectly fine, because we were expecting it. This is what happens usually, right? So, but sometimes it goes straight up and sometimes triangle, sometimes flats. So what we have now here, it went up, but then came down and completed a flat. So now if Euro USD is going up, Pound USD is going up, and USD index is coming down for a wave B, that will create wave 5 on this pair to the upside. If the USD start getting weaker, we will go probably hit this. So we will be watching again, same thing, 92.80 past that, 93.87. Remember the last time I said 93.87, then 94.61, and then 95.36. So they're still valid here. All right, but it's just that we went up there 93.87 and then boom, came back down for a C wave just to finish up a flat correction. So it's a very nice pattern, a perfect count so far. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If there would be a little bit bigger 2, it would be perfectly by the book like this one, right? But this wave 2 is a little short, and that's about it. But wave 3 is fine. Wave 4 so far is perfectly fine. And wave 5 we need to be finishing very soon. So hopefully, so we have a USDX showing that, okay, it's going to drop from there. And then all three, if we drop below 73, then these all three pairs will go up in those directions. Euro yen, we have only, I gave you index and euro yen chart, right? Yen index and euro yen. So, and like I said, euro yen, if that happens, the euro yen alone is going to give us some really nice pairs. Plus, if these pair moves, Aussie USD is a nice one. Also, euro correction would be a nice one. Hopefully. Okay. So, these are the setups right now. Don't want to give you any more because it's gonna get confused. So make these charts. I will give you. I got some other yen index, not yen index, yen pairs that I'm working. Euro yen. Okay, Bella, I think you came a little bit late, but I'm gonna show you anyway. This is the chart that I sent out. Remember, I just in the beginning I talked about this yen and yen pair and euro yen. You talk about euro yen, right? This is euro yen daily chart. And you have the chart already. Do you have it or no, Bella? Okay, all right. So this is this chart is intact. It's going up. So, above 38, 78. You find a setup and take it. Okay. Pound yen. I haven't looked at recently, but I will. Not recently means not today or yesterday, but I will check into it and then I'll show it to you. But remember, the old chart is still intact. It's going up, but where is it now? I will take a look and send you, make a new chart and send out. Aussie yen, I'll cover. I need to cover Aussie yen and pound yen, right? And then I'll see it. See if the yen index moves, everything moves. And right now you have a chart. See, this is the yen index. So see why this is why I pay attention to the index, because if index is really, you catch the index, you're catching 5 pairs, you're catching 5 trades, nice and clean, and you can choose, pick and choose between, like, okay, yen is getting weaker, so which currency is the strongest against it? You go and look at the pair like euro pound. If euro pound is going up, that means euro is strong. So between euro and pound, euro is strong, and you know that yen is going to get weaker, so euro yen is going to fly. You know what I'm saying? So that's how it is. So we know euro index is going up. Let's think that. Let me show you if I have the old chart. Euro index. What is the old index? Yen is getting weaker. Euro is showing what? I forgot, but let me see. Where is it, man? The last chart, no, that's monthly. It's not going to give us anything. Okay, so I had it here the daily chart that it's probably going to go up here. If not, the dropped back to 34.91, right? So let's take a look really where it is now. If that thing is holding or not. All right, so we are still at that same location. All right, not let me remove this. Okay, we'll try to dip a little bit below this level, 3608, but I think we went back up, right? Uh, Smaller time frame. Where's the number? 3620 we are at now. Okay, so we are, oh, that was last week low as well, huh? No, I just switched. Okay, so this is the weekly low we have. 3608 is number. This is the big number. 3608 is, if you can see, 3660. Let me show you. Maybe it's on a monthly. 3608. Oh, here. This is the high. This is the high on 3608 on the Euro index where we are bouncing from. And remember, this area, I've been watching this area for longest time now, probably a year now, that we are trying to go there. That's what I've been telling, that we are trying to go, because this is the whole drop. 61% is coming right here. And then you have A, B, C, D extension. This is the tool right here. A, B, C. And then D is coming exactly 100%. Same place. 44.49, 44.42. On a monthly chart, it's it's not coincidence, it's calculation. So it is calculated and it just keep going. And we are like, if you consider wave 1, 2, 3, and then your sideway movement as a wave 4, not perfectly counted, but I would say it's like A, B, and C. Somewhere here is 1, 2. It's not visible, but maybe 3 and then 4 and then little 5 is gonna come to the upside. So if Euro yen is going up there and the yen index getting weaker, Euro gonna get strong. What do you think is gonna happen to Euro yen? 3608. This is how strong you see this, making the lower low right here. You're making a higher high on this index. I mean this indicator, the divergence, right? So we have a divergence here as well. So we are nicely trying to go up. We need to go up. Okay. So this is how it is. And what else? That's about it today, because my back is really hurting. Euro yen getting weaker has been. Okay, yeah. So euro pound is getting weak. Okay, let me take a look. Oops, we are here already. Where is euro pound? Euro pound. Okay, what is this line here? Okay, this low is big low here. Whoa. You see this? 80.67. Big low. Huge. Significant low. 80.67. And what we made here? Low 80.81. What do you think is going to happen now? This is how you catch these things. Very hard to break this level. You see what happened? Drop, and boom. Gone up all the way up. For years and years, right? If not months. So we all, we drop all the way down here. And we are at this level now. And bouncing already. We made 80.81 is the low. 80.81. And now we are at 8100. So, let me see on a shorter time frame. This is the lowest for the last week. This is the highest for the last week. So we have weekly high and low in place. Okay, so it's a sideways movement. So let's see if we can hold here, this weekly low, and then start going up. 8067. This 8091. I don't know where that number come from. 8067. 8091. Maybe a monthly number. No. See this low is 8067. We are at that number right now. Oh, here. See 8067 and 8096 is this high. So is this 8096? Yeah, 8096. So this is like a zone. Okay. So this is the zone that we need to bounce from. We cannot break this zone. Very strong zone. And after dropping all this time, we will definitely have a reaction from it. And you can see that all these wicks here in the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these lines, the rejection from this area. Okay. So if you bounce from here, then it will give us a light that pound may be getting weaker or euro will be probably getting stronger if we hold into this area and then go up. So you see this, Bella? $251. All right. So this is what the euro pound is showing. Probably a probable bounce from this area and probable euro getting strong a little bit, and then euro getting strong, USD getting weaker, euro pound. I mean, our euro USD gonna go up. Pound, we just saw Aussie fourth wave flat is almost finished, so we need to go up for the fifth wave. And euro yen is for the butterfly pattern, couple hundred pips over there. Hold on just a minute. Hold on just a minute. Yes, please. Hello? Hello? I'm doing a webinar right now. I'll call you. Okay? Bye. Hello? Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Was an important call, so just have to tell the guy that, I'm doing the webinar. Okay, so this is what it is. Now, for today, this is enough. I think we have plenty of setups right now. And then hopefully I will give you a couple of more in yen pairs. Okay. One of them is pound yen. I will send you the chart. I know it is going up. The last chart we had is a bullish. We had a nice bounce from the support. And if yen is getting weaker, obviously that thing is going to go up. Okay. So I will get into it and then make the chart and send it out to you. Okay. So all of these charts that I just show you, all three USD pairs and euro yen, I'll send it again. And the index charts as well. Okay. So my back is getting numb right now, believe me. So this is it. I need to go lay down a little bit and then start doing make some more charts for you guys. So any other question before I close today? Sorry, I had to close a little early. Okay. Oof. Yes, ma'am. Hopefully. Yeah. Well, I just need a little bit rest. Yep. Well, I'm gonna be resting a little bit and then start making some more charts because I saw some setups there and I still need to finish that because we need every pip we can catch, right? But pay attention. If yen index start going up, man, this euro yen is gonna give us some really good. Okay, so let's watch it very closely. And today, I don't know. You still have the rest of the. We still have the rest of the evening for barbecue and stuff. So if you still can go out and have fun, today is a holiday here at least. But from tomorrow, everything opens up again. School opens up again. That's what it is. All right. So thanks for coming and spending time with me, and hopefully I'll talk to you guys soon and send you some really good setups. Okay. All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.